Hello, my name is David Forrest, your CINX training host. In this session, I will be introducing you to the CINX search engine. Search is a key component of CINX and one which you will likely be using regularly. With the millions of items used in today's construction market, CINX Search has been built with extensive filtering and querying capabilities to allow you to easily locate products. Topics we will cover are navigating the search application, selecting a catalog, how to search using filters, viewing details of items, and how to use the results from your search. I would also recommend viewing 4 additional CINX search videos that focus on specific functionality. Using filters in the middle panel for building your search, building assemblies, exporting, and tips and tricks. So let's begin. The CINX search engine is accessed using the search icon on the main menu bar. And here is the main landing page. I will begin by highlighting the 4 main areas of the search page: the tab bar, the left search panel, the center navigation and search results area, and lastly, the right pull-out panel. Now let's take a closer look at each. The tab bar provides you browser-like capabilities and allows you to have multiple search pages open at one time. The tabs can contain a pending search, search results, or a detailed view of a specific item. To open a new tab, simply click the blue New Search button. To close a tab, click the X at the right of the tab label. To begin a search, you can choose either the left search panel or navigate one of the 3 filter types presented in the center work area. We will first use the left search panel. The top drop-down controls the catalog in which the search will be executed. A catalog is a collection of materials managed by a specific company or organization. The default catalog is the Harrison Plumbing and Mechanical. This contains nearly 3 million products from over 650 manufacturers managed by Harrison Publishing House. The contents of this catalog are continuously updated and always current. Depending on the subscription level, your company may also have its own catalog of materials. This will contain only the products relevant to your company's line of work. We will leave the catalog set to the Harrison Plumbing and Mechanical. Below the catalog drop-down is a text box for entry of keywords terms. You may enter as many terms as you think appropriate. Let's find a wrought copper 90-degree solder elbow from NIPCO and add it to the kitchen remodel project. First, I will enter a couple of terms. Let's use copper elbow. As you can see, the search is immediately executed when you click the Add button. The center area now contains the search results and a row showing the search keywords we just entered. Please notice that each term has a little X next to it, which if clicked will remove the term and resubmit the search based on the remaining terms. Now back to our search. After reviewing the results, I want to further narrow the results, so I am going to add a few more terms. I will add NIPCO, solder, and 90. Now I have located the desired elbow. Before describing some of the other search capabilities found in the left panel, let's spend a minute working with the search results we just returned. Above the search results, there is a Microsoft-style ribbon containing menu actions for working the search results. Clicking on the name of each ribbon options will expose the available sub-options. While most of the ribbon options are self-explanatory, I would like to highlight a couple of items. First, BOM, which stands for Bill of Material. In CINX, like many other construction software programs, a BOM is a collection of products selected from a catalog and saved into a specific file. Next, I want to show you the Edit Columns on the Grid Columns menu option. This option will allow you to turn on and order the columns that are shown in the search results area. To move a column, use the gripper at the right margin and drag the column to the desired position. And then hit the Save button. Also, in the grid view of the search results, please notice that some column titles are underlined. This indicates that the results can be sorted by the values in that column. We just sorted by HPH code. Moving below the ribbon is a blue bar with a toggle view control. CINX allows you to select the desired format for the search results: the grid view and more traditional column row spreadsheet type display. The thumbnail view provides an image of the product and some key data about the item. If you plan on modifying the content shown in the search results, I will recommend using the grid view. Directly below the view controller, and also at the bottom of the page, are standard result and paging controls. The results per page dropdown allows you to define how many results will be shown on each page of results. The paging controls to the right will permit you to navigate within the pages of the results. I also want to point out a couple of other important features found within the search results. First, on both the grid and thumbnail views, you will see a blue Full View button. Clicking this will open up a new tab and display all the information about the selected catalog item. Here you can view spec sheets, price sheets, including historical sheets, cross-referenced items, and other specific information. Now let's assume that this is the item you needed for the project. Let's go back to the tab containing the search results. The best way to add products to a project or other CINC entity is to drag and drop the items to the right pull-out panel. A good way to think about this panel is that it is your shopping cart. Let's open the panel now. As you can see, there are expandable sections for projects, catalog lines, BOMs, RFQs, and quotes. You may add items to any of the items in these areas. Let's expand the project area so that our kitchen remodel project is showing. Now we will select a couple of elbows from the grid and drag and drop to the project. Please notice that once the items are successfully added, you will see a confirmation above the name in the panel. That will conclude this introduction to the CINX search engine. I again invite you to view these related CINX presentations: using filters in the middle panel for building your search, building assemblies, exporting, and tips and tricks.